Hey, to take macro photos on the Redmi 13, first of all, you will have to open the camera, and I'm not recommend you to use this dedicated macro mode. It's not actually the best way to take the macro photos. In my opinion, the best way to take the macro photos is to select the 108 megapixel mode. Remember about the good lighting condition because it's actually essential for every kind of the photos. And now, if you want to take the photo, for example, I will try to take photo of this structure. You will have to try to put it as close as possible without losing the focus. So in my case, I will have to hold this smartphone in this range, and then I have to click on the point where I want to capture, and the photo was taken. Now I have to just wait for the post-processing, and right now when I'm gonna open this, as you can see, I can zoom really close and I can find a lot of details. Take a look. For example, right here, I can find even some pieces of the dust. You actually cannot see it right now, yeah, when you take a look, even when I'm gonna put it really close. But here on this photo, thanks to this 108 megapixel photo mode and this HD preview, we can find here a lot of details. So now we can, for example, crop with this kind of the photo, and you will actually get really nice looking macro photo. But if you try to do this with this macro mode, it will not looks that good. I'm gonna actually show you. So go here, open this macro mode, but it's not gonna work. Okay, we have to put it like this. The photo was taken. Now let's open it, and as you can see, we can find here definitely less details, and the quality is not that good. The pieces of the dust are not that sharp, so it doesn't look good. This one, the previous photo looks definitely better. This one, take a look. This is actually short comparison for you. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.